Oh, you there? Yes, I'm talking to you. I can tell you are working with the Microsoft Data Platform. And furthermore, I think you have something to share with the community. And therefore, you should go and submit a session abstract for the Data Platform Summit. This is a worldwide online event that takes place in September between the 19th and the 23rd, and each day devoted to a different corner of the world, so to speak. And then you might think, but what do I know? Well, you might be maybe you have some cool tricks in Power BI. Maybe you work with Cosmos DB, or maybe you're good at high availability with SQL Server, or you use some cool Azure stuff in Azure or some other cloud platform. Or it doesn't have to be technical. Maybe you have some good thing at what we call professional development, how to boost your career, or things which are very important these days, mental health, diversity, inclusions. They may matter to you. You might have something to share. Now, but you might think, yeah, but that's great, but I don't know English very well. So, look, this is really exciting this year. The conference will be multilingual. When you go to the submission page, there is a drop-down with a choice of 15 languages: Spanish, Indonesian, Arabic, Hindi, to mention a few, and there's even a write-in. Overall, diversity is very important for the Data Platform Summit, because you know at these conferences, typically there's been a lot of people like me, grey men from Europe or North America, but we need diversity. We need, men, we need women, we need thick ones, we need small ones, we need tall ones, we need, you name it. Any color of the skin, white, yellow, brown, turquoise. It doesn't matter. What matters is that you work with the Microsoft Data Platform. Also, they're very much welcoming new speakers, and if you haven't spoken before and you'd like to give it a try, you can ask to get a mentor. Finally, I'd like to mention a little bit about the format. So all sessions are 60 minutes. Some of them will be live streamed, but most of them will be pre-recorded. And you might think, yeah, that doesn't mean you have to do a lot of video editing. You can, if you like, record small pieces at the time, glue them together. My own take is that I try to record one single live take, but that's my preferences. You can do as you like. So I'm really looking forward to see any of your sessions in September.